A few weeks after that dust-up at the OK Corral, I was still after Johnny Ringo. But first I need to tell you about the cowboy's new boss, Curly Bill Brocious.
Herb's coming!
Get ready, boys.
Curly Bill took charge of the cowboys upon the old man's demise, and after that gunfight at the OK Corral, the Clantons wanted revenge. There were killers around every corner, all wearing red bandanas. But I wasn't about to let Ringo walk away unscathed, and that's what drove me forward. Now, where was I?
Taking down the entire cowboy gang single-handed.
Indeed I was, Jack.
Dynamite! I'm impregnable. Death is too good, bro. There he is.
And where was Curly Bill? Did you see him?
I'm painting a picture here. There was this beautiful waterfall and a crystal clear stream that led to a verdant valley that was truly...
Consider your picture painted. What happened next?
Well, finally the bastards that were still alive made a last stand.
Boy,
Curly Bill, Johnny Ringo, and his compadres took off into the lumber yard, and I followed after.
You come out and I will.
Are you saying they ran? Cowardice was not...
Brocious gave me no choice but to take his life. But Ringo was nowhere to be found.
I knew you didn't kill Ringo, because he was found dead in a different location altogether.
To this day, his killer is still unknown.
Indeed. It took me a few months before I finally tracked his ass to West Turkey Creek Canyon.
That's incredible, sir. I always thought that Doc Holliday was the one that killed him.
Sorry I had to ruin the legend for you, boy. But the legend ain't always true. Doc Holliday had nothing to do with the death of Johnny Ringo.